Well guys, if you are looking affordable, stylish and a rugged smartphone, the search ends here. The latest Hotwav T7 Pro offers exceptional water, dust and shock resistance while maintaining a slim and lightweight profile with the premium design. It's as easy to carry as any conventional smartphone without compromising durability, so check out this Hotwav T7 Pro video review to discover more about this sleek yet sturdy device. Let's start with unboxing. Opening the sleek black box, we immediately see the phone on the top. We will set it aside for now to explore the contents underneath. Inside we find the additional tempered glass, even though the phone already comes with a pre-installed screen protector. 2 wipes for installing the tempered glass and the SIM pin. A detailed user manual is available in multiple languages. USB Type-C cable, a 20-watt fast charger. Everything you need to get started with your Hotwav T7 Pro is right here in the box. Now that we examine the contents of the box, let's refocus our attention to the smartphone itself. The overall build quality, balanced toughness and style. Despite its rugged nature, the Hotwav T7 Pro managed to maintain a degree of aesthetic appeal, making it not just a functional phone but also a visual pleasing one. While holding in your hand, you can tell from anything that this is a cheap phone, but it really is. You can check the price in the official sales link below this video. While maintaining a robust build, it weighs just 283 grams, which is small for a robust phone, and measures only 12.8mm in thickness, which is very commendable by the standards of robust phones. You can carry it so easily without feeling any difference from conventional smartphone. The back is in eco leather finish, which looks great and premium. All sides of a T7 Pro are made of polycarbonate. The aluminum frames on the sides give a dose of additional strength, and the thick head edges protect its case over fall. So on the right side in this aluminum frame we have this power button. Under it is a fingerprint reader. On the opposite side we have volume buttons, as well as under this rubber cover that guarantees IP68 water resistance. We find a SIM card drawer which has 2 slots for as many of 2 4G SIM cards, or the option of 1 SIM card and a memory card of up to 2 TB at the same time. On the bottom side we find the USB Type-C port protected by a rubber cover that ensures the waterproof seal. Next to it is a microphone hole and a very loudspeaker. From the front, the T7 Pro boasts an impressive 6.6-inch 2K FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1800 by 2460 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9. The water drop notch at the top houses 8-megapixel selfie camera which handles selfies and video calls with remarkable clarity. The large 6.6-inch screen enhances your experience with its high resolution, making it perfect for enjoying multimedia content, playing games and viewing photos. The display's brightness of 480 nits ensures that it remains clear and readable even on bright sunny days, so you don't struggle with visibility in different lighting conditions. One of the standout features of this display is a vibrant color reproduction and the acceptable black value, which contribute to an excellent contrast ratio. That means colors are vivid and true to life, providing a sharp and a pleasing viewing experience for all your content. For most users seeking a sizable, luxurious screen, the T7 Pro display excels in daily activities like web browsing, social media engagement and binge watching YouTube videos. It's resistant to scratches and impacts thanks to its Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, ensuring that it stays in great condition over time. This combination of toughness and elegance make the Hotwav T7 Pro an excellent choice for everyone needing a reliable, visual appealing and affordable rugged smartphone. Shifting our focus to the back, we find an impressive looking round module housing a dual camera system of the Hot 57 Pro. This system includes a 64 megapixel main camera and auxiliary lens, providing a versatility and quality in your photography. The 64 megapixel rear camera captures vibrant colors and indicated details, making it a reliable companion for all your types of photos, from sweeping landscapes to detailed portraits. And there is also a super night mode option. The smartphone also supports 1080 pixel full HD video recording at 30 fps, ensuring your videos are clear and smooth. To truly appreciate the camera's capabilities, check out some sample photos taken with the T7 Pro. So let's take a look. When it comes to performance, the T7 Pro excels, effortlessly handling tasks and applications with no noticeable lag. Powered by MT8788 octa-core processor built on a power-efficient 12nm technology, it blends for high performance. This setup, coupled with the ARM-Mali G72 MP3 GPU operating at up to 800 MHz, ensures optimal performance for work and multimedia tasks, delivering a seamless and energy-conscious user experience. While the T7 Pro provides ample power for most games and applications, it's important to manage expectations. While it ensures smooth gameplay for a wide range of titles, it's not designed for extreme gaming feasts. In terms of memory, the phone offers up to 12GB of RAM, 6GB base plus 6GB extended RAM, catering well to everyday needs. With 256GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2TB via memory card, you have plenty of space for apps, photos and videos. With its substantial 6280 mAh battery, the T7 Pro offers up to 2 days of usage on a single charge, boasting impressive standby time, talk time, gaming seasons, and music playback. It's a reliable companion for extended adventures, promising of up to 15 days on standby. Enhancing its usability, the T7 Pro features a comprehensive 4-in-1 navigation system with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Baloo, ensuring accurate location services for outdoor enthusiasts even in remote areas. It supports global 4G LTE bands, ensuring seamless connectivity worldwide. Additionally, NFC enables contactless payments, while Bluetooth 5.0 and dual-band Wi-Fi provide lightning-fast internet speeds for streaming, downloads, and gaming wherever you are at home or on the move. The T7 Pro showcases exceptional multitasking capabilities and seamless app switching. It offers a pristine Android experience with the pre-installed Google Play Store. Users have access to the latest apps, the games, along with the regular updates. The T7 Pro emphasizes extensive customization options, allowing users to pristine dark themes, wallpapers, interface colors, and other features supported by a latest Android version. Its interface remains true to the pure Android, ensuring a clean user experience without additional bloatware or inconvenience of ads often found on the Xiaomi or Poco phones. The T7 Pro exemplifies the pinnacle of durability with IP68 and IP69K ratings for waterproofing and dust protection, alongside mil-STD 810H military-grade toughness against drops. It stands strong in harsh conditions, enduring extreme weather and rough handling with the reinforced strength and sturdy features that enhance its waterproof and dust-resistant capabilities. Notably, the T7 Pro maintains resilience against extreme temperatures ranging from 70 to -55 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliable performance in diverse environments. Adding to its robust design, the T7 Pro features durable Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, offering complete 360-degree defense against daily hazards. The design of the Hotwav T7 Pro combines durability with a sleek look and a leather finish, creating an attractive choice among rugged smartphones. Its ergonomic design and carefully integrated details make it a practical and attractive choice for users who appreciate durability without compromising on style. So, the official sales links are below this video. Be sure to visit them, hurry up and get your new Hotwav T7 Pro today at the promotional price, because now is the chance to get yourself this exceptional smartphone. That will be all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video review. Bye.